cable is for connecting the throttle. This cable is for connecting the hall sensor cable from the motor. These three sockets are for connecting the phase cables of the motor, yellow, green and blue. These two sockets are for connecting the positive and negative cables for the battery. Red for positive, black for negative. These two small cables are the connecting cables from the controller. There is no special function, but they need to be connected. These two cables are the electric lock of the bike. One is for connecting to the controller. Another is for connecting to a compound cables, which controls the lights, display. Here you can see the lights. Display are off. When we turn off the switch. This is the taillight and headlight. This is the taillight and headlight. This is the adapter, which can convert the voltage of the light and horn to be 12 voltage. This is the 4-in-1 switch, which can turn on the headlight, taillight, direction switch light,